Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna make cherry jam. We recently visited Fruit Acres in Coloma, Michigan to pick these beautiful cherries. And now it's time to make the jam. Let's start with the tools we'll be using. A canning pot and a riser to keep the jars off the bottom, mason jars for the jam, a cutting board to keep from staining the table, a chopstick for pitting the cherries, a large pot for cooking the jam, a jar extractor, a wooden spoon, a canning funnel, and a ladle. Because the canning pot will take quite some time to boil, we're going to get it started first. Put the riser at the bottom of the canning pot and then fill the pot about 3/4 of the way full. Set the pot on the stove at high heat. Now put your clean mason jars in a pot for a water bath. Add water if entire jar is not covered. Don't forget to add your lids to a smaller pot of water on low heat to prepare the seals. Next, we're going to clean the cherries and de-stem them. There are multiple ways to pit the cherries, but we will use a small mouth jar and a chopstick. If you're using this method, place the cherry facing up on the jar. Place the chopstick in the middle where the stem used to be and press down until the pit falls out. Repeat this process of all the cherries you want to cook. If you're enjoying this episode, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. The next step is deconstructing the cherries, which can also be done many different ways. We chose to use a blender because we want to keep the skins, but want them to be very small. Once you have the cherry at your desired consistency, pour them into a large pot and grab the rest of your ingredients. We will be following the shore gel recipe, which is included inside the shore gel box. Add and mix your shore gel before applying heat. Now put it on the stove on medium heat and stir often until the mixture starts to thicken. Then add your sugar and stir continuously for about 1 minute. Remove from the heat and skim the top to remove any foam. Now grab one of the mason jars from the water bath and place the canning funnel on top. Use the ladle to pour the hot jam into the jar. Fill until the jam is about 1/4 of an inch from the rim. Now grab a heated lid and place it on top of the jar. Tighten the band by hand and place the jar back into the water bath. Allow the jars to boil for about 5 minutes and then remove them from the water bath and place them on a heat-resistant surface. Allow them to cool until you hear the lid pop, and then store them in a cool, dark place until you would like to enjoy them. Okay, thank you for watching this episode of Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!